Okay, so let's real quickly talk about why the crypto market is down. I'm going to give you the real story, all of the factors, everything that you need to know. Is this the beginning of some broader bad market crash scenario that's playing out? In my opinion, the short answer is no. We've got a situation here with the Israeli Hamas war that has obviously come up that is creating a tremendous amount of uncertainty. And when we have uncertainty, in any of the financial markets, stock, crypto, whatever it may be, that tends to create a situation where people pull their money out. They want to minimize risk, etc. And that's part of the equation of why crypto is down. And I'm going to give you all of the factors in this video. So let's get into this right here, right now. So we know crypto's down. It's down 2+%. Bitcoin down 1.6, Ethereum down 3, XRP down almost 4%, Solana down over almost 6%, Cardano, so forth and so forth. You can see it's just pervasive. Major hit going into the altcoins. The altcoin market is being hit way harder than, for example, say Bitcoin. And, that's obviously a big part of what's going on now. Ethereum, I'm going to focus on Ethereum for just a minute because that is one of the factors. Okay. So if we kind of look at what's going on here, why the crypto is market down. So one major factor is right here in the red. Today's decline is selling pressure from Ethereum whales. According to on-chain data, the Ethereum Foundation has been swapping large amounts of ETH for stable coins like USDC. So there's been one example of 1,700 ETH worth over 2.7 million. Marks their largest swap of 2023. Overall, the foundation has sold over 2,200 ETH this year, often ahead of market dips. Okay. So that's right there. Okay. So obviously there's been another scenario where people out there are talking about kind of a gloomy picture. There's a lot of on-chain data that's saying, hey, it's kind of not really great right now. I firmly believe it mostly is the Israeli Hamas war. Obviously that, that unprovoked attack that happened over the weekend create a tremendous amount of fear. And then Israeli, obviously, basically saying that we are at war. Again, uncertainty, right? That is absolutely playing it, the major things right now. So again, I already mentioned this. Altcoins are bleeding out, so forth a little bit. Now, is this a bleed out like they're going to continue to go down into the basement? No, I think we may see them continue to roll down, for the short term. But again, I'm not sitting here saying that I think that this is the beginning of some bloody, major move down across the board. I think that we've got a move down, which to me is creating opportunity to basically go on a little bit of a shopping spree, in my opinion. You've got opportunities like Solana right here moving down right now. This is my software momentum up, momentum down. My trading indicator, I just want to give you some insight that it basically showed a opportunity there to make 21+%. I actually took advantage of that, made that money, bought here, sold here. And you can see we're in a sale scenario where right now my software is saying, hey, look, we're in a momentum down scenario. So don't A, buy anything if you already sold it, but B, it's a scenario where, hey, we're waiting for the next opportunity, to come up, the next buy opportunity that may come in right here because we're in a momentum down cycle. If you want to pick up my software, links in the description below. There's a discount code down there. Basically makes it about $1 a day, 30-day, no questions asked refund policy. But I'm using my software to minimize risk right now, to basically sell, to find opportunities to buy and quite frankly, opportunities when to get out and when to sell so that I'm not taking losses. And that's one of the big things that I wanted to kind of point out. So kind of continuing moving on, again, it's this right here in the red, this global macro uncertainty that has really kind of come into play. The Israeli war now, obviously, we still have the Russia-Ukraine war out there. That's been an ongoing narrative, obviously, but it ultimately is in this purple right here. It's all of these negative factors. Okay, it's bearish technical patterns. We talked about that a little bit. Whale selling, grim sentiment. This overall kind of uncertainty sentiment that is pervasive. Quite frankly, cards on the table. We've been here a while now with this uncertainty scenario, quite frankly, since the first quarter of 2022, with all the inflation and everything else coming into play. We've been here. Altcoins continuing to move down. That's scaring everybody when people are looking at it going, they're seeing XRP and everything kind of bleeding off and selling off. A lot of people tend to go, oh my God, the boat's on fire and I need to jump off as well. I don't see it. I look at it opposite of that. That's when I'm looking at opportunities to buy. Okay. And so it's all of those things. And then quite frankly, again, global tension. In my opinion, it's the global tension narrative that really is kind of spooking everybody. It's spooked everybody in the stock market as well. Stock market is down, obviously, in relationship to this war scenario playing out as well. War equals uncertainty, which equals not good for crypto. All right. I'll be back. I'll see you. Bye.